Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set YouTube recommendations. So let's go to YouTube first. Then go top right corner in your profile icon and click on this and go to your YouTube in your data in YouTube. This option. After that, what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll find here this option, YouTube Watch History, which is turned on. Click on this drop down menu, then scroll down and you'll find here at very bottom side, manage history. Click on this, then scroll down and you can see all of your data. Some activity may not appear yet. Okay, so if you want to delete all of this, or if you want that YouTube recommends you new videos, or if you want to change the recommendation of videos, you can see here delete option. Click on this and you can make this delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So if you click on delete all time, your all previous algorithm will be deleted and YouTube will suggest you new videos. Okay, so you can set your recommendations like this way. So I don't want to do it right now, so I'm not going to do this. Just click on this or any of these delete options and you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.